Hi everyone, I'm Brendan from timeghost. Sometimes the projects that I work on within timeghost require me to be able to see more than one part of timeghost at the same time. That's why today I'm going to show you the pop-out buttons. There are two. Right now I'm looking at the timeghost app within Teams 365, Microsoft Teams. And when you look over here on the top right corner, I can see the refresh button, but there's also a pop-out button and there's a web button. So if I press the pop-out button, I get a little pop-out app. I can enlarge that to meet my needs. And if I click on the web app, I get an exact replica of the page that I was already looking at, but in a web page. You can enlarge these or make these smaller. I like to put them side by side so I can, for example, look at the dashboard and look at, for example, my projects to see who has entered which data under which projects. And if I need to add a task later, I can without clicking back and forth. This makes everything much more hassle-free, a lot easier. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Bye for now.